The process when working with a local lender is very simple. You're making a very personal connection with the lender. They are working through all of the details of your financial picture, of what you owe on your home, of what you should borrow, what you shouldn't borrow, and they're going to make you very comfortable with your investment. What the advantage is of working with a specialist like that is they're going to help you not only make sure that you're making the best informed decisions about how much you can afford every month. What we're going to be doing is partnering together to make sure that we maximize your return on investment. When an individual is making an investment like yourself, you want to make sure that whatever you put into your home, you're going to be able to get back out of your home, and you don't want to be in over your head. So having a trusted partner with us, and then also with your local lender and or a third-party lender, we're going to make sure that we're working collaboratively together to find you the best solution.